What's the meaning of caster? Caster. Caster.
Caster. Caster. The word caster can mean different things depending on the context. One definition of caster is a small wheel attached to the bottom of furniture or equipment, to make it easier to move around. Another meaning of caster refers to a person who casts spells or performs magic, especially in movies or fiction. In automotive terminology, caster refers to the angle of the steering axis relative to the vertical axis of the wheel. Overall, the term caster generally refers to something that facilitates movement, whether it be physical objects or mystical powers.